I always think that I have really weak arm. Like it's too weak. So, today, we're gonna make Wolverine claws. So first of all, from this, we have to cut a little piece of paper. But I'm warning you guys that these things are made by professionals, so don't try to make it if you don't have experience in it. And let's start. It's okay, we can still make it with this size. It's okay. So now, we have to stick these two parts together and we'll see what we'll get. To stick these two parts, of course we need glue. Don't ask me why are there Russian inscriptions, my dad just buy it from I don't know where. Anyways, let's connect two parts of this thing together with this glue, of course. Right, we have to put some glue on this side of this paper, just like this. Okay, it's not enough, let's put some more and more. It's so hard to squeeze, like this glue is really shit if you ask me. Like let's put a little bit more glue. Okay, just like this. Look, it stretches like a melted cheese.
Cheese.
Now we are going to stick two parts of this paper and we'll get something like this. Look at this. Yes, we have to dry a little bit, so we have to wait. It already dried up and it looks so good. So now we have to make the main part. We need some nails, but which one should I choose? Maybe this one? Or this one? Or this one? This one? This one? This one? I choose these nails. These ones are perfect in my opinion. So let's connect these nails to this thing and we'll get the Wolverine claws. So as you can see, it perfectly fits in my hand, so let's connect our nails to this thing. Now look at this. It looks really amazing and really scary. So let's taste it. Let's test it. Don't try to taste it, oh my god. Now, it looks really scary. Really scary. Pow, pow. Come on, I just killed these bushes. Oh my god. Look what I also can do. Just look at this. Just look at this. Wait a second. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't it scary? It's really scary. Look at this. Oh my god. So as you can see, we made the scariest Wolverine claws that you have ever seen. So if you like our content, just hit the subscribe button and like this video, and I'll get rid of this like this and I'll say to you goodbye. We are A.D.S.